Hello, dear students, welcome back. I hope all of you are keeping well at home, studying well at home, not wasting time, and not disturbing your parents at all, right? So, today we will start with chapter number 4, video 2, that is evolution of communication. And the last chapter we have discussed, that is video number 1, we have got the complete explanation about evolution of communication, right? So, in this chapter we will discuss all the exercises, that is question answers, true and false, and your fill in the blanks. Choose the correct options. You have to do by yourself. Okay, not in the copy. You can do in the book itself, but you have to do by yourself. Question answers, true and false, and fill in the blanks. You have to do in the copy. Okay, so let's get started. So let's start with the question answers first. The first one is, why do people communicate every day? So the answer is, people communicate every day to share thoughts and feelings with their families. Clear? Then the second question is, how does Indian Railway supports the Indian Postal Services? Okay. So the Railways Mail Service supports the Indian Postal Administration in quick delivery of letters and parcels. Okay, they both the organization, they work together so that they can deliver all the letters and parcel in a limited period of time. Then we have question number 3. What are the some means of communication? Describe any two of them. So first you have to mention some of the means of mass communication, and any two you can describe them. I have mentioned television and newspaper. Instead of that, if you want to describe some any other two, you can do that also. Okay, there is no foundation, but it has to be correct information. Okay. So the radio, television, newspaper, magazine, and films are some means of mass communication. Okay, they are the means of mass communication. The two I have selected are television and newspaper for description. So television is used for transmitting movies, images, and sounds. It is used for advertising, entertainment, and news. Okay. Then the second part is newspaper. It is periodical publication containing printed information about current events. Okay, whatever television shows we can see, we can listen easily, but in newspaper it can go to those places in the villages where there is no electricity also. Okay, so newspaper also plays a very important role in the society. Okay, then the question number 4, we have, what do you know about fax? So we have already discussed about fax also. So fax is a means of communication which is used to send message. Messages sent through fax machine reaches instantly. These machines work through telephone lines. If you have a good telephone line at home, then you can use the fax machine, and it is very quick. Okay, it doesn't take any time. If you have a good telephone line connection, then you with the help of fax machine you can get message from one place to another in a very short period of time. Okay, so that is all about fax. The question number 5 is, describe the importance of radio as a mean of mass communication. Okay, so radio is one of the most important, or you can say one of the oldest means. So radio broadcast news, information programs, supports commentaries, songs, etc. in Hindi, English, and regional language. So it covers each and every part of entertainment or mass communication or media. You can say different programs, sports events, songs, news, main information, or anything which is very important for the country. You can say every aspect of information it covers in different languages. Okay, even people who do not know how to read and write get benefits from it and enjoy it. Okay, there are people those who don't know how to read and write. For them, radio is the best medium. Okay, so radio also plays a very important role in our society. So I hope all these 5 question answers are clear to you. Kindly do it in your fair copy. Okay, and then we start with the fill in the blanks. Okay, again I have mentioned the answer over there, so please learn it nicely. The first one is, newspaper and television are the examples of mass communication. We know that. Then India has the largest postal network in the world. Okay. Then the fax machine works through telephone lines. We have just read about it. Many programs are shown live on television. That is correct. And India is the largest producer of films. We have already studied in the chapter about films. That is, India is the largest producer of films in the world, right? Okay, so question answers fill in the blanks are done. Now let's start with true and false. The first one is postal service is an expensive means of communication. That is wrong. It is not expensive, it is very cheap means of communication. That is why this statement is false. And internet connection is needed to send email. Yes, that is correct. We should have a good internet connection in our computer or phone where we can send email from one place to another. Fax machines work through your telephone lines. Yes, that is correct. True. Students should never use internet. No, it is nothing like that. Students should use internet, but in a proper way, in a proper guidelines. Okay. So internet is not a bad thing. The content you search in internet, that depends on you, upon student to student. So we should not go for negative content. Only go for positive content which is useful for your future, for your studies. Okay. So students not using internet, that is false. The fifth one is radio is an example of mass communication. That is correct. Radio is also one of the means. So it is a part of mass communication. This is a true statement. Okay, students. I have mentioned over here also. Choose the correct options. Do it by yourself. Okay, so use your brain nicely. So we have completed chapter number 4 also of your social studies. So I think almost we have completed our unit test portion of social studies of class 5th. Okay. Okay, so we'll go further. We'll see what we'll do in the next class. But till now, till chapter number 4, keep your everything ready. Read, learn nicely. Do not miss anything. Any doubt you have, you can call me. You can WhatsApp me. In the next class, I will tell you. Most probably, I'll be discussing about the diagrams. Okay. Okay, so I'll let you know about that video when it will come. But till now, till chapter number 4, video number 2, keep your everything up to the mark. Okay, so please study hard, learn everything. I can take the test also whenever I want. Okay, and keep your thing ready up to the mark. And please stay at home. Don't go here and there. Don't roam. Don't waste your time. Spend your time with your family members. Do not disturb your family members at all. Okay, just be in discipline, help your parents, and stay at home, stay safe. Okay, I'll be catching you in the next video. Till that time, thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you.